Can German Shepherds have cropped ears? German Shepherds are one of the most popular dog breeds around the world. Known for their loyalty, intelligence, and versatility, German Shepherds make excellent companions and working dogs. However, one topic that often sparks debate among dog enthusiasts is whether or not German Shepherds can have cropped ears. In this article, we will explore the practice of ear cropping and its implications on German Shepherds. Ear cropping is a surgical procedure that involves removing a portion of a dog's ear to achieve a specific look. Historically, ear cropping was done for practical reasons, such as preventing ear infections in dogs used for hunting or guarding livestock. However, over time, ear cropping has also become a cosmetic procedure, largely for aesthetic purposes. When it comes to German Shepherds, ear cropping is not a common practice. The breed standard for German Shepherds typically calls for naturally erect and triangular ears. Cropping a German Shepherd's ears can alter their appearance, but it is important to consider both the pros and cons before making a decision. One of the arguments made in favor of ear cropping is that it gives German Shepherds a more alert and intimidating look, which can be beneficial in certain working roles. Additionally, some believe that cropping the ears can improve airflow and reduce the risk of ear infections. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. Proper ear care, including regular cleaning and grooming, can effectively prevent and manage ear infections in German Shepherds without resorting to surgery. On the other hand, there are several concerns regarding ear cropping that should be taken into consideration. First and foremost, ear cropping is a painful and invasive procedure. It involves cutting through the delicate tissues of the ears, which can cause pain, discomfort, and complications during the healing process. Furthermore, complications such as infection, hematoma, and surgical errors can occur, potentially leading to long-term damage or deformities. Another serious concern is the ethical aspect of ear cropping. Many animal welfare organizations argue that ear cropping is unnecessary and purely cosmetic, therefore it should not be performed unless medically necessary. There is also a growing trend towards banning ear cropping, with many countries and states implementing legislation to prohibit the procedure. In fact, several kennel clubs and breed associations already disqualify dogs with cropped ears from competing in conformation shows. It is also important to note that ear cropping is a purely human preference. Dogs do not have a say in how they should look, and altering their appearance for cosmetic reasons raises ethical questions. A dog's well-being should always be the top priority, and subjecting them to unnecessary surgery solely for aesthetic purposes seems to go against this principle. In conclusion, while ear cropping is a personal choice, it is generally not recommended for German Shepherds. The breed standard for German Shepherds calls for naturally erect and triangular ears, and altering their appearance through ear cropping is unnecessary. Not only is ear cropping a painful and invasive surgery, but it also raises ethical concerns regarding the well-being of our canine companions. Instead, responsible dog ownership involves proper ear care and grooming to prevent and manage ear infections. Ultimately, it is up to each individual to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision regarding ear cropping for their German Shepherd.